This is the Clayton Mark CRK2 major repair kit. We'll go ahead and get everything out of the bag here and go over what all it'll come with. And we got one more over in there. So in the kit, we'll come with this little paper here. So on the front of the package, it'll have the hydrant repair instructions. Just got the instructions there, list of the parts that will be included. Get up a little closer. As well as that little picture breakdown of how they'll be installed in the order they go in. And on the back, you've got the installation and operation as well. Right, so we'll go ahead and get every part laid out here. They'll come with these two rubber O-rings. This little check assembly or spider check assembly. And the plunger. One big thing to notice about this plunger with the wall hydrants. As you can see, this kind of an awkward shaped plunger. It's got those flat sides. And then the other bullet shaped plungers, this is not interchangeable with them. And you've got that drive screw assembly here. And that hose piece. And the key. A rubber O-ring. That plastic seal. And then that little C kind of washer there. So we can go ahead and get a couple measurements of a couple parts in the kit. Starting with the hoses, or the hose piece. So we'll get a total length. And that'll measure right at about 1.25 inches, and then an outer diameter here with the threads measuring right at 1 inch. And then we'll measure the plunger. We'll get a total length of it, and that'll measure right at just shy of 2 inches. And then we can also get an outer diameter there, that brass piece, and that will measure just at 1/4 inch. And we can measure that assembly there. You can see here that will be that squared kind of bit with the internal female threads. So a total length, measure right at 1.75 inches. An outer diameter of that square piece there will be right at just shy of 1.25 inches. And then we'll measure that red or orange rubber washer here. An outside diameter of right just shy of 1.5 inches, and an inside diameter of right about 1/2 inch. And we can just get a total length of the key. That'll be right at 1.5 inches as well. And that drive screw will measure right at just above 2 inches. And then this plastic washer here, measuring right at 1.25 inches in outer diameter. And yeah, once again, this is the Clayton Mark CRK2 major repair kit.